we enter the morning, it is 5 a.m. It's Wednesday, June 22nd. I'm Gary Lubator, meteorologist Hannah Evans. Joining us now here on this hump day as we all get through the middle of the week, and not too bad yesterday, some rain here or there.
Yeah, some light showers off and on throughout the day. Kind of same thing for today. We will be mostly dry, seeing a few peaks of sunshine, but then later on in the afternoon we could be seeing a few showers, and then we will be seeing rain overnight. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. We are dry at this point. Partly cloudy skies to start this morning, so we will be seeing a few peaks of sunshine, especially earlier on in the morning. But later on this afternoon, a few showers could start. We also could be seeing a few rumbles of thunder. We are going to be getting a little bit warmer today. Highs are going to be right near 80, so a little bit warmer than we have been yesterday. And we will be seeing the sunshine. Unlike yesterday, it kind of was just gloomy outside. So a few showers. We could be seeing a few weak thunderstorms later on in the day and in the evening. Showers will continue overnight, and into tomorrow we'll be seeing scattered showers throughout the day once again. But then as we head into Friday, sunshine makes a return as this front finally moves through our area, and we are going to be seeing very hot weather over the weekend. Highs are going to be in the mid to upper 80s. As for today, though, highs just near 80. We will be seeing a few peaks of sunshine, dry up until later on this afternoon, and it is going to be breezy outside. And I will be talking a little bit more about the unsettled weather continuing coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2022 and
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking more clouds than sun for today and a few scattered showers, possibly a thunderstorm later on in the afternoon. Let's take a look now at the Cavie Tower camera. We're seeing some kind of foggy skies this morning, as well as mostly cloudy skies. We are going to be seeing a few peaks of sunshine throughout the morning, but otherwise the weather continues to remain unsettled. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions at this point. It looks to remain mostly dry throughout the morning and early afternoon hours, but late afternoon there comes the possibility of a few scattered showers and maybe even a weaker thunderstorm moving through. So at this point we are seeing some clouds starting to build in. It is going to be breezy throughout the day with wind speeds between 12 and 15 miles per hour, and this is all due to that front that is still lingering over us. So yesterday this was a warm front. It is now a stationary front. It is sitting over us at this point, possibly bringing in a few scattered showers this afternoon and evening and a pop-up thunderstorm. Overnight tonight, the showers will remain, and tomorrow the cold front will move throughout the day. We will be seeing scattered showers throughout the day before finally this unsettled weather comes to an end for Friday. So this morning we are a lot warmer than yesterday morning. Temperatures are in the 50s and 60s. We have 58 degrees in Whitesboro and 60 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 61 degrees in Hamilton and in Sherburne this morning. So the chance of rain remains low throughout the morning. Then as we head into the afternoon hours, later afternoon, this is 5 p.m., the chance of rain does go up to scattered. We are likely going to be seeing rain showers overnight and into early tomorrow morning around this time, possibly a few weaker thunderstorms moving through as well. But then tomorrow throughout the day, the chance of rain drops down to low, and then we will be seeing sunshine return on Friday. So the weekend does look a little bit better. Warmer on Friday, highs in the low 80s. Saturday, very, very warm, highs in the mid to upper 80s with sunshine. Possibly a passing shower on Sunday, but we will remain warm. It is also going to be humid this weekend, so it is going to feel very hot outside. So we are going to be seeing more clouds than sun today, but still a few peaks of sunshine. Highs right near 80. And then the chance of showers, possibly a few thunderstorms, comes in later on in the evening, and that lasts throughout the overnight hours. Tomorrow remains unsettled as that cold front moves through. Scattered showers persist throughout the afternoon and evening, possibly a weak thunderstorm as well. A little bit cooler with highs just near 70. And we finally dry out on Friday. Sunshine returns and highs are going to be in the low 80s. But as for today, we are dry throughout the morning and afternoon. A few scattered showers coming in later on in the afternoon, possibly a pop-up thunderstorm with breezy conditions throughout today. Showers remain overnight with a low in the 60s. 60s. So the weather remains unsettled for today, and those showers continue tomorrow. But finally, the sunshine returns on Friday, and we get very, very hot over the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Tobacco makers could have to...
We're saying good morning to Sangerfield and all of the greater Utica region. So today we will be mostly dry, but come later on in the afternoon, there is the possibility to see a few showers and weaker thunderstorms. So we are in not even a risk, we are in a non-severe risk for seeing just a few weak thunderstorms moving through later on this evening. Not really any risk for high winds, flooding, or hail or anything like that. And after today, tomorrow remains unsettled as well. That cold front will move through. We will continue to see scattered showers throughout the day, and it will be a little bit cooler with highs just near 70. The good news is that sunshine returns on Friday, getting a little bit warmer with highs near 80. And come the weekend, it does look like a nice and hot weekend ahead. It also is going to be humid. So on Saturday, highs are going to be in the mid-80s with sunshine. There is a passing shower possible on Sunday, but otherwise sunshine, humid, and highs in the upper 80s. I'll have a look at the commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Time now to look at some of the events. It is 5:30. It's Wednesday, June 22nd. I'm Gary Libitor, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Wednesday to get us started. And it seems like we may see some showers today, right?
Yes, so we are going to be dry for the morning and early afternoon hours, but then some showers come in, possibly a few weak thunderstorms passing through. That will continue overnight. So we are going to be unsettled once again for today and tomorrow.
And the weekend, though.
Yeah, it looks nice, but it looks very hot and humid. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. We are tracking dry conditions in our area at this point, but we are going to be seeing some scattered showers coming in later on in the afternoon and possibly a few weaker thunderstorms with that. That will last overnight. So as of right now, we are mainly in the low 60s. We will get a little bit warmer today than yesterday. Highs are going to reach right near 80 with a few peaks of sunshine possible, especially this morning. So a few showers and weak storms are possible later on in the day. That does continue overnight, and we will continue to see scattered showers throughout tomorrow. But good news is that we do dry out for sunshine on Friday, and it gets very warm over the weekend. Highs are going to be in the mid to upper 80s. As for today, though, highs are going to be just near 80. We are going to be mostly dry throughout the morning, and then seeing some scattered showers coming in later on in the afternoon, possibly a thunderstorm or two. It is going to be breezy throughout today, and I will be tracking this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2022.
The Weather Team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking dry conditions for the morning, but some scattered showers and possibly a few thunderstorms come in later on this afternoon and evening. So let's take a look now at the Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing a few peaks of sunshine this morning. We are starting out partly cloudy. We will see an increase in cloud cover, and by later on this afternoon into the evening hours, seeing a few scattered showers and possibly a few weaker thunderstorms. But at this point, we are dry. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking dry conditions throughout the morning and early afternoon hours. But again, it is going to be a little bit breezy today, and we will start to see a buildup of clouds coming in the afternoon. So this was a warm front yesterday. It is now a stationary front sitting over us. So this is what is bringing in this unsettled weather for the past few days. So today we will start to see some scattered showers in the afternoon and evening. That will last all throughout tonight into tomorrow. Then this cold front will move through tomorrow, bringing scattered showers throughout the day, possibly a few weaker thunderstorms. And then after that, we are finally in the clear and seeing sunshine on Friday. We are starting out already pretty warm this morning in comparison to yesterday and the day before. We are in the 50s and 60s. We have 58 degrees in Utica and Whitesboro and 57 degrees in Big Moose. Looking to the south, we have 61 degrees in Hamilton and 57 degrees in Norwich. We are going to see high temperatures right near 80 today, so a little bit warmer than yesterday. And the chance of rain is low throughout the morning and early afternoon hours. We start to see some rain coming in later in the afternoon, kind of around dinner time, possibly a few thunderstorms thunderstorms at this time as well, and that will last all throughout the overnight hours into early tomorrow morning. Scattered showers look to remain tomorrow as a cold front moves through, and then after tomorrow, the sunshine returns for Friday and for the weekend. It does look like a very hot and humid weekend ahead. Sunshine on Saturday, highs in the upper 80s, almost near 90 on Sunday, with some sunshine, possibly a passing shower, but it is going to be humid for both days, so it is going to feel very hot outside. So today we are expecting a few peaks of sunshine, but more clouds than sun. The chance of rain looks to come in later on in the afternoon into the evening hours, and that will last overnight with a few thunderstorms possible. Tomorrow, scattered showers persist throughout the day as that cold front moves through, possibly a few weaker thunderstorms once again, but we ultimately finally clear out for Friday. Sunshine looks to return on Friday, and high temperatures will be in the low 80s. As for today, though, it is going to be breezy. We are going to be seeing dry conditions up until later on this afternoon and evening, highs reaching near 80. Some showers and thunderstorms are possible this evening and overnight tonight with a low in the 60s. So for tomorrow, we will continue to be unsettled, a little bit cooler, highs just near 70. Sunshine returns for Friday and the weekend as we get very warm. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Now to Washington, where the
It is going to remain a little muggy today through Friday. It does get humid on Saturday and Sunday, also getting very, very hot. So for today, we will just be near, or for today, we'll be near 80, and then this is tomorrow. We'll be right near 70s, a little bit cooler tomorrow. Friday, we are starting to get a little bit warm, and then as we head into the weekend, getting humid, very hot as well. High temperatures are going to be in the upper 80s, almost near 90. The temperature breaks on Monday as we just see high temperatures in the low 70s. So if you did want to spend some time outside, maybe grill. I would say maybe for today, maybe earlier on in the day, definitely not later on tonight because we are going to be seeing a few showers, possibly a few thunderstorms. I would just say no altogether for tomorrow. We will continue to see scattered showers throughout the day, but the sunshine looks to return on Friday with highs in the low 80s. I'll have a look at the commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A bloodhound, a French Wednesday, June 22nd. I'm Gary Lubator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now to help us all plan our Wednesday ahead, and we can plan on 2 days in a row. Bringing that umbrella along just in case.
Yes, just in case. So we are going to be dry through the morning and afternoon, and then late afternoon, early evening. Could be seeing some scattered showers, possibly a few weaker thunderstorms, and that will last overnight.
The lawns need it, though.
Yes, the lawns do need it. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, tracking dry conditions, but scattered showers, possibly a few weaker thunderstorms are possible later on this afternoon and evening. That will last overnight and into tomorrow. But we are going to be a little bit warmer today because we are going to be seeing a few peaks of sunshine here and there. High temperatures will reach right near 80. So once again, showers, weaker thunderstorms are possible later on in the day. So we should be all good and dry up until late this afternoon. That will linger into tomorrow. So tomorrow we will continue to see a few scattered showers as a cold front moves through. And then after tomorrow, we are all good. Sunshine returns on Friday. It looks to get very, very hot over the weekend. High temperatures in the upper 80s for both Saturday and Sunday. So for today, expect more clouds than sun this morning, but we do look to remain dry up and through late afternoon. It is going to be breezy, though. High temperatures reaching right near 80, so a little bit warmer than yesterday. And I will be tracking this all out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2022 now.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are starting out partly sunny this morning, but we are going to be seeing the possibility of some scattered showers and weaker thunderstorms coming in later on this afternoon. Let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing some clouds, some sun this morning, so it is going to be dry throughout most of the morning and into the early afternoon, but then the chance of those showers and storms come in late afternoon through the evening. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry at this point. Once again, we will remain dry for a majority of the day. We are just going to be seeing a buildup of clouds, and it is going to be breezy as well. So this warm front that we were seeing yesterday is now a stationary front. So it is kind of sitting over us and will continue to move throughout the day. This brings in the possibility of scattered showers. this afternoon and evening, as well as a few weaker thunderstorms that will last throughout the night hours and into tomorrow. Tomorrow, the cold front will follow, so that will move through tomorrow, bringing in scattered showers, and the unsettled weather will continue. And then finally on Friday, we are in the clear for the return of sunshine. We are a little bit warmer this morning in comparison to the past couple of mornings. We are mainly in the 50s and low 60s, 57 degrees in Old Forge and Inlet, and 58 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 56 degrees in Cooperstown and in Milford, and 55 degrees in Evanston this morning. So the chance of rain throughout the morning and early afternoon hours will remain at a low. Come late afternoon into the evening, we do start to see some scattered showers, possibly a few weaker thunderstorms, and they are very likely to persist in the overnight hours. Heading into tomorrow morning, we do drop down to just a chance of some rain throughout the rest of the day, but still remaining unsettled up until Friday. So looking a lot better on Friday, the return of sunshine will be comfortable with highs just near 80. But as we head into the weekend, it will remain very humid and it is going to get very hot. We are going to be seeing sunshine on Saturday, highs in the upper 80s and almost near 90 on Sunday. We are going to be seeing mainly dry conditions, but a passing shower is possible, and once again humid for both days. So on our Skycast, we will start to see a buildup of clouds come in before a few scattered showers are possible later on this afternoon into the evening. That will persist overnight, possibly a few thunderstorms along with this. And through tomorrow, it will remain unsettled. Scattered showers, especially in the morning and early afternoon, before we do look to clear out heading into the overnight hours into Friday. Friday, it is going to be a lot better. We are going to be seeing sunshine throughout the day, and high temperatures are going to be right near 80. As for today, though, it is going to be breezy. We are going to be mostly dry throughout the day with the chance of some scattered showers, and a few thunderstorms comes in around dinner time. Highs near 80, and tonight they will continue with a low in the low 60s. So the unsettled weather remains for tomorrow with scattered showers throughout, especially the morning and early afternoon. Highs near 70. Sunshine finally returns on Friday, highs in the low 80s, and the weekend looks to get very hot and humid, highs in the upper 80s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Tobacco makers could have to lower nicotine.
Good morning to Sangerfield and all of the greater Utica region. So we are tracking the possibility of a few scattered showers coming in later on in the afternoon, and we could be seeing some non-severe thunderstorms. The Storm Prediction Center has put all of our area under a non-severe threat of seeing just a few thunderstorms. So this means high winds, flooding, hail, tornadoes not really expected. There is a very, very low chance for high winds, flooding, and hail, and a no chance for seeing any tornadoes. This is for the afternoon, evening, and then heading into the overnight hours. Tomorrow, we will remain unsettled because those showers, thunderstorms, they last overnight. And tomorrow, a cold front will move through, bringing scattered showers throughout the day. A little bit cooler because we will be mostly cloudy. Highs are just going to be near 70. Heading into Friday, we will get a lot better. The unsettled weather finally comes to an end. We will be seeing sunshine on Friday, and highs are going to be in the low 80s. So a lot better day on Friday. And then even looking ahead to the weekend, on Saturday, mostly sunny skies. Highs are going to be in the mid to upper 80s. And on Sunday, we will be seeing mostly sunny skies. There is the possibility for a passing shower here and there. But otherwise, we do remain dry. Highs are going to be in the upper 80s. And it also is going to be very, very humid over the weekend. So it is going to feel very hot for both of these days. I'll have a look at the commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Time now to look at some of the events. 30. It's Wednesday, June 22nd. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans. Joining us now to help us all plan our Wednesday ahead, and we can plan on maybe some showers, so bring an umbrella.
Yes, so we are going to be dry for most of the day, but then later on this afternoon into the evening, we could be seeing the possibility of a few scattered showers and weaker thunderstorms that will last overnight.
So we're due for some rain, I think.
Yes, I think we are too. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. Once again, tracking dry conditions this morning, but that brings in the possibility of a few scattered showers and weaker thunderstorms this evening, and that will remain overnight. So we are going to be getting a little bit warmer today than yesterday. Highs are going to be right near 80, and we are going to be seeing just a few peaks of sunshine, so that will warm us up a little bit more. But we are expecting a few showers and weaker thunderstorms that are going to occur later in the day. Otherwise, we will be mostly dry throughout the daytime. Showers will remain tomorrow as a cold front moves through, but then after tomorrow, we are all good. The unsettled weather comes to an end. Sunshine returns for Friday and for the weekend, and very warm weather over the weekend. Highs are going to be in the upper 80s and humid. For today, though, expect more clouds and sun, but we do look to remain dry for most of the day. Some showers coming in later on, and it is going to be breezy. And I will be tracking all of this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2022.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking dry weather for most of today, but then the chance of some scattered showers and weaker thunderstorms come in later on this afternoon. Let's take a look now at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We can kind of see some light from the sun rising, partly sunny skies to start this morning. We will start to see a buildup of clouds in the afternoon, and then later afternoon, evening, scattered showers are possible as well as a few weaker thunderstorms. But as of right now, we are dry. This is the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 with Doppler radar, and once again look to remain dry up until later on this afternoon. But it is going to be breezy today, and we will continue to see a buildup of clouds throughout the afternoon. This is due to this stationary front. So this was a warm front yesterday, now a stationary front kind of sitting over and moving slowly over our area. This is bringing in those scattered showers this evening, and that will last all throughout tonight, lingering into tomorrow. The cold front will closely follow. That will move through tomorrow, and then after tomorrow, we are finally in the clear for the return to sunshine on Friday. But as of right now, according to our sky watchers, we are a little bit warmer to start this morning than the past 2 days. We have 57 degrees in Inlet and Old Forge and 58 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 55 degrees in Evanston and 54 degrees in Lawrence and Morris this morning. So the chance of rain remains at low up until later on this afternoon, kind of around dinner time. Around evening, there is the chance to see a few scattered showers and weaker thunderstorms, and that will last all throughout the overnight hours into early tomorrow morning. As we head into later in the day tomorrow, the chance drops off to low, and into Friday, we will start to see that sunshine make a return. So a lot better on Friday with sunshine. Even for the weekend, it does look a lot better. Sunshine on Saturday, very warm, highs in the upper 80s, and even warmer on Sunday with highs almost near 90. There's the possibility of a passing shower, but we do look dry. And for both of these days, we are going to be pretty humid, so it is going to feel very hot over the weekend. But as for today, we are seeing mostly dry conditions with a build-up of clouds in the afternoon. Then later on this evening, there comes in the possibility of scattered showers, possibly a few weaker thunderstorms that last into the overnight hours into early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, a cold front will move through, bringing scattered showers throughout, especially the morning and early afternoon. But then by the evening, we do look to finally start to clear out for the return to sunshine as we head into Friday. A lot better on Friday with highs in the low 80s. As for today, though, we will be right near 80 for the high temperature. We are mostly dry throughout the morning and afternoon. Clouds build in. Then we do see some scattered showers, possibly a few weaker thunderstorms. Breezy conditions throughout today. And tonight, those showers and possible thunderstorms continue with a low in the low 60s. So the weather remains unsettled for today and tomorrow with scattered showers tomorrow and a little bit cooler. Highs just near 70. Sunshine finally returns on Friday, and we warm up a lot and remain humid over the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Now to Washington, where the January 6th committee is revealing more details into how.
Welcome back. We will remain muggy for today through Thursday, so it is going to feel a little sticky outside. But heading into the weekend, we do get a little bit humid, and it is going to be pretty hot, so it is going to feel very hot outside. As for today, though, highs are going to be right near 80. A little bit cooler tomorrow, highs right near 70, and we warm up a little bit on Friday, and on Saturday and Sunday, highs are going to be in the upper 80s, almost near 90, feeling very hot and humid over the weekend. The temperature drops back into the 70s on Monday. So if you did want to spend some time outside, maybe grill or anything like that, I would say maybe today, the earlier, the better. Looks like some scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms coming in around dinner time. Tomorrow, I would just say no. We are going to be seeing scattered showers, especially in the morning and early afternoon. But Friday, sunshine returns. It looks like a great day to spend some time outside. I'll have a look at the day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A bloodhound, a French bull is 7 a.m. It's Wednesday, June 22nd. I'm Gary Liberatore, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Wednesday morning to get us started. And I know you're talking a little bit of rain later.
Yes, there's a possibility to see a few scattered showers later on into the late afternoon hours, as well as a few thunderstorms that will last overnight. So the unsettled weather is continuing into tomorrow. Seems
like it's been a while since we had rain.
Yeah, well, we did a little bit yesterday and then the day before a little bit, but we will see the sunshine return on Friday. So let's take a look now at the bus stop forecast. If you are heading out to the bus stop, it is going to be dry this morning with more clouds than sun. In the afternoon, a few showers are possible, as well as a few weaker thunderstorms. So for today, expect mostly dry conditions up until later on this evening. It will be breezy, high temperature right near 80. And tonight, the showers and possible thunderstorms continue with the low in the 60s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2022 and new.
Here's a live look at our Cooperstown camera. We are seeing partly sunny skies to start this morning, but a buildup of clouds will happen later on this afternoon and brings in the possibility of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms later on this evening and in the overnight hours. So the weather will remain unsettled for today and most of tomorrow, but come the weekend, it is going to get a lot better. On Friday, sunshine will return, and over the weekend, it is going to get very hot. So on Saturday, we will be seeing sunshine, highs in the mid-80s, and on Sunday, highs in the upper 80s. There's the possibility of a passing shower, a passing storm, because it is also going to be very humid over the weekend. So as for today, it is going to be a little bit breezy. A shower is possible, with highs near 80 and possibility of a few thunderstorms as well. And tonight we will be seeing a few showers and storms with a low in the low 60s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. An update now on the
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking dry conditions for most of today, but then later on this afternoon, there's a possibility for a few showers and weak thunderstorms. On our Mirabito Tower cam overlooking Oneonta this morning, we are seeing partly sunny skies, so we are going to be seeing a few peaks of sunshine throughout the day with a buildup of clouds this afternoon. We are also dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 with Doppler radar, and we look to remain dry through the afternoon, but we will start to see some clouds build in, and we will be seeing breezy conditions throughout the day. That warm front that was moving through yesterday is now a stationary front, so kind of sitting over us, still slowly moving. This brings in the possibility for a few scattered showers and weaker thunderstorms this afternoon, evening, and into the overnight hours. Tomorrow, the cold front will move through. That brings scattered showers, especially in the morning and early afternoon, before we finally dry out to sunshine on Friday. We are a little bit warmer this morning than the past two mornings. We are in the 50s, 57 degrees in Old Forge and Inlet, 58 degrees in Clinton, and looking to the south, we have 56 degrees in Cooperstown and Milford, and 55 degrees in Evanston. So the chance of rain this morning and early afternoon is pretty low. The chance of rain comes in around dinner time, maybe just after, to a few scattered showers, possibly a few weaker thunderstorms, and it is likely overnight into early tomorrow morning. Throughout the day tomorrow, we will continue to see a few scattered showers, and then heading into Friday, it finally dries out. The weekend looks dry as well. Looks like the middle of summer. Saturday, sunshine, highs in the mid to upper 80s, and on Sunday, we will be almost near 90. There is a possibility for a passing shower or weaker storm because it is going to be very humid on both days as well, so it is going to feel very, very hot over this weekend. But as for today, highs are just going to reach right near 80. A few peaks of sunshine this morning and early afternoon before clouds build in. Some scattered showers come in this evening and possibly a few weaker thunderstorms. That lasts into early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning and early afternoon, possibility of some scattered showers is still there. Then we do finally dry out tomorrow evening into Friday. So we will start out mostly cloudy on Friday, but those clouds will decrease. We will be seeing sunshine and highs near 80. As for today, though, expect dry conditions up until later afternoon. Scattered showers, possibly a few weaker thunderstorms, and it will be breezy. Tonight, we will continue to see those showers and possible thunderstorms with a low in the 60s. So the weather remains unsettled through tomorrow with some scattered showers, highs near 70, a little bit cooler. We warm up with sunshine on Friday and get very hot and humid over the weekend. Highs are going to be in the upper 80s and near 90.
Look at your forecast. Here is meteorologist Hannah Evans. And Hannah, right now it is gorgeous outside.
Yes, it is getting kind of warm, and it also is muggy here this afternoon with some sunshine. We are still expecting the possibility of a few thunderstorms and showers. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, we are dry at this point, but come around 6 p.m., we could expect to see a few scattered showers and possibly a few weak thunderstorms. This will continue throughout the day tomorrow. So tomorrow we are also going to be seeing a few scattered showers. A little bit cooler tomorrow with highs just near 70. And the good news is that the sunshine fully returns on Friday, and we will be getting warm highs in the low 80s. So we could be seeing a few showers and weak thunderstorms later in today, looking to be around dinner time, maybe a little bit after. Those showers will linger into most of the day tomorrow, but then sunshine and warmer weather come back in, especially for the weekend. So for today, expect possibly to see a few showers later on. Breezy conditions, highs near 80, and then we'll be tracking this out a little bit further coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Speaking of the
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking warm and muggy conditions this afternoon with the possibility of a few scattered showers and weaker thunderstorms later on this evening. Let's take a look now at the CAVI tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing some sunshine. It is a little bit hazy outside and muggy with our temperatures at this point in the 70s. And on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are still tracking dry conditions across central New York here this afternoon, but the possibility of some scattered showers and a few weaker thunderstorms are still there for later on this evening due to the stationary front that is slowly moving over us. So we could be seeing a few scattered showers and weaker thunderstorms later on this evening. It does look to be after dinner time. And then for tomorrow, this cold front is going to move throughout the morning and early afternoon hours, bringing in some more rainy conditions, scattered showers for the day of tomorrow. But good news is that we do look to dry out tomorrow evening for the sunshine to fully return on Friday. But according to our sky watchers, we are already pretty warm this afternoon. Temperatures in the 70s. We have 70 degrees in Old Forge and Mohawk and 78 degrees in Cassville. So the chance of rain right now is pretty low. It does go up after dinner time to scattered, and in the overnight hours, rain is likely. We are likely to see some scattered showers as that cold front moves through, starting in the overnight hours early tomorrow morning. And then after tomorrow afternoon, the chance does drop down to low again, and we are not going to be seeing any precipitation on Friday. It does look a lot better over the weekend as well. On Saturday, it looks to be very nice outside with sunshine, very, very warm with highs in the mid-80s. It also is going to be humid on both of these days. So on Sunday, when our high temperature is right near 90, it's going to be very humid, very, very hot outside, and that brings in the possibility of a passing shower or a weaker thunderstorm with that humidity. So let's take a look at everything on the SkyCast. We are seeing partly sunny skies here this afternoon. Temperatures at this point are in the 70s, and as we head into the evening, we will start to see an increase in cloud cover, and scattered showers are possible after dinner time and in the overnight hours, as well as a few weaker thunderstorms. For tomorrow, especially morning and early afternoon, the scattered showers remain in the picture, but then coming into tomorrow evening, we do look to dry out, and we do look to clear out for Friday. So on Friday, the sunshine fully makes a return with highs near 80. As for today, though, it is a little bit breezy outside. We have a high temperature right near 80, and there is a possibility for some for late afternoon, evening, scattered showers, possibly a few weaker thunderstorms. Tonight, there is going to be some showers and possibly a weak thunderstorm. So the weather will remain unsettled tomorrow, a little bit cooler because of mostly cloudy skies, highs near 70. Sunshine fully makes a return for Friday, getting very hot and humid over the weekend with highs in the upper 80s. Back to you, Gary.
warm it up it is.
Yes, very, very hot over the weekend.
Hannah, thanks. The vaccination. Once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking some sunshine, hazy and muggy weather here this afternoon. It's also pretty warm outside, but there's a possibility for a few showers coming in later on this evening. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar tracking dry conditions across central New York. But there is a stationary front over us. This brings in the possibility of some scattered showers and possibly a weaker thunderstorm later on this evening. This will be after dinner time. That will linger into Thursday, so we will continue to see scattered showers tomorrow as a cold front closely follows through, and it will be a little bit cooler tomorrow, highs just near 70. But good news is that the sunshine looks to return on Friday, and for the weekend it is going to be getting a lot warmer. So a few showers and weaker thunderstorms are possible later on into this evening. Showers are going to persist throughout tomorrow morning, early afternoon, just a few scattered showers looking to clear out by tomorrow evening, and then sunshine makes a return, and as well it is going to get very, very warm as we head into the weekend. But for today, expect highs near 80. We are seeing dry conditions right now, but then later on we could be seeing a few scattered showers. It also is a little bit breezy outside, and I will be tracking this out a little bit more coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing sunshine, but it is kind of muggy and hazy outside with our temperatures at this point in the 70s. Let's take a look now at the Cavie Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Once again, we kind of see some hazy skies as well as some sunshine, and it is hot and muggy. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions still across our viewing area and across our central New York but there is the possibility of a few scattered showers and possibly a few weaker thunderstorms to come in later on this evening. It looks to be after dinner time. This is due to this stationary front that is slowly moving over us, and behind that there will be a cold front, so we will continue to see some scattered showers overnight lingering into early afternoon tomorrow, but ultimately we do look to dry out tomorrow evening and the sunshine fully making return for Friday and the weekend. But as of right now, according to our sky watchers, we are in the 70s. We have 74 degrees in Clinton, 78 degrees in Cassville, and 75 degrees in Otsego. But no chance of rain at this point. The chance goes up a little bit just after dinner time, and it is likely we are going to be seeing rain overnight due to that cold front that is moving through. Throughout the morning and early afternoon tomorrow, it does drop down a little bit, and then heading into the later hours of Thursday into Friday, there's a low chance of rain. At this point, we do look to finally dry out. The weekend looks pretty nice as well, but it does look hot and humid. On Saturday, we are going to be seeing sunshine. Highs are going to be in the mid to upper 80s, and it is going to be humid, so it is going to feel much hotter on Saturday. Same thing goes for Sunday. We are going to be even warmer. Highs are going to be right near 90, and it is going to be humid. This brings in the possibility of a passing shower and possibly a passing weak thunderstorm, but otherwise the weekend looks mostly dry with sunshine and hot weather. So as of this afternoon, we are seeing hazy skies. Highs are going to be near 80 for today. We will start to see an increase in clouds heading into the evening, and the possibility of some scattered showers. A weaker thunderstorm comes in after dinner time and lingers into the overnight hours. Heading into tomorrow morning, we are going to be seeing a few scattered showers, possibly a few weaker thunderstorms, but that looks to clear out tomorrow evening. Highs tomorrow just near 70, a little bit cooler, and then we will dry out for Friday. So starting out mostly cloudy on Friday, but those clouds will decrease, sunshine and highs near 80. As for today, though, our highs are near 80. There is the possibility to see some evening scattered showers and a few weaker thunderstorms. It is breezy outside this afternoon, and tonight those showers and weaker thunderstorms linger with a low just around 60 degrees. So we will be unsettled once again for tomorrow. Highs near 70, so a little bit cooler. Scattered showers, especially in the morning hours. Looking to clear out tomorrow evening. Sunshine returns for Friday, and we get very hot and humid over the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. In the late 1980s.
Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. It was outdoor weather today, for sure.
Yeah, the rain held off, and it's going to hold off this evening. If you do have any plans of being outdoors, maybe just going for a walk, we're looking at pretty nice weather for the short term. Eventually, some rain will return tonight, and that will last into tomorrow. We can look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We can see what happened. The rain is there, but it's in western New York. That front not only stalled, but actually worked backwards. It moved from east to west. and it's now situated closer to Rochester, stretching south into western Pennsylvania. So we definitely lucked out today. Current temperature is 74 degrees. It's been a windy afternoon, and the wind is going to continue as we head into tonight as well as tomorrow. Rain returns tonight. It's going to continue into early tomorrow. Tomorrow looks like a cloudy, gloomy day, but this should be the last of those days. As we look ahead, the weather's going to change, and it's going to feel a lot more like summer as we move along. We're looking at mostly cloudy skies. Again, we are dry this evening. Temperatures in the low 70s. We are tracking some rain for tonight. We're going to take a look at how much is expected, and that's coming out. Jason, back to you.
All right, Bill, thank you. We're following breaking news.
Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A nice day across central New York. We saw some sunshine. It's been windy, but the wind will be settling back as we look ahead. Let's take a live look outside Circab V Tower Cam, and we're overlooking the city of Utica. And again, it's overcast across the region, but it is dry. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking some thunderstorms to the west. That's where they developed. Out towards Rochester, the front that's been driving our weather has moved back to the west today, much further than expected. So again, the rain will stay out here for now, but this is eventually going to move east. And we will be seeing some rain with this as we head into tonight and tomorrow. And it looks like tomorrow is going to be a washout or close to it, with the front stalling in our area yet again. But it does clear the area by Friday and Saturday, and we are looking forward to much warmer temperatures. Temperatures this evening are cooler east, warmer west. Whitesboro 71 degrees, Westmoreland 73, Deansboro 75, but it's 65 in Dolgeville. Across Southern Valley, 75 in Sherburne, 73 in Hamilton and Norwich with 70 degrees. And generally nice weather if you're taking the dog out for a walk. Again, it's been a windy day. Temperatures remain in the 70s for the most part this evening, into the 60s east. Tonight's featured dogs, Harley and Mickey from Utica. And if you want to be part of this, send your dog photos to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by Staffworks. Warmer weather is in sight, and it's just around the corner. Looking at temperatures back into the 80s on Friday and into the upper 80s as we head into the weekend. So you look at the radar and satellite image again, tracking that front to the west, producing showers and thunderstorms. This is eventually going to move east and bring with it some rain heading into tonight. So you look at our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Again, the rain develops and moves in after midnight for the most part. Steady rain tomorrow morning. Temperatures start out in the upper 50s. It's going to be a cool day tomorrow. The rain's going to gradually move to the east. Temperatures will struggle just to hit the upper 60s. And again, the weather does warm up as we head into Friday. As far as rainfall amounts, it looks like the steadier, heavier rain looks to be east of Utica. We could be talking about totals close to an inch of rainfall for Otsego, Herkimer, Hamilton, Fulton, and Montgomery counties. But that should be on the high end. I think most of us will be we'll be seeing totals less than half an inch. Rain returns tonight, low 59. Tomorrow, showers, temperatures in the upper 60s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, a very warm weekend, temperatures in the upper 80s. Some rain returns Monday. Cooler weather as we head into early next week. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s by Tuesday and Wednesday. And coming up in a few minutes, we're going to be taking a look at how the humidity is going to be changing heading into the weekend.
Thank you.
Well, magnitude 6.1.
Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Talking about humidity, which really hasn't been much of a thing lately. It's going to increase.
I feel it.
You're feeling it a little bit today. Yeah, it's a little bit humid today. Dew points are about 60, which is where we start to notice it. But as we head into the weekend, much more humid weather is going to be approaching from the west. We look at dew point, and we're looking at humidity. Again, it's simple because whatever that dew point means, it's a consistent value. Relative humidity is based on the air temperature. So when the air temperature changes, the relative humidity changes too. It's not quite as straightforward. You can see dew points in the low 70s towards Rochester. And again, it will turn noticeably more humid, especially heading into the weekend. It's Saturday and it's Sunday where temperatures climb into the upper 80s. And we're going to see the most humidity in central New York. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet across the area. It's mostly cloudy this evening. We are tracking some rain for tonight and early tomorrow when we're tracking that. And when that comes to an end, that's coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Amazing weather for the return of the Herkimer County.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking unsettled weather returning to the region tomorrow. We definitely lucked out today. The weather has been dry across central New York, and it's been very comfortable. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cooperstown camera. Overcast skies. It's been windy, especially in the Mohawk Valley, where the wind tends to be faster whenever it comes from the west or the east, because it funnels through the Mohawk Valley. In other words, the wind gets squeezed as it moves into the valley in that direction, and that's what we're dealing with this evening. The winds will become lighter as we head into tonight. And as we look ahead, it's breezy on Thursday and Friday. The winds don't look to be as strong as what we're seeing out there this evening, and the winds will be light as we head into the weekend. So we're not going to be dealing with too much wind going forward. As we look at the radar and satellite image, we're tracking a round of some rain to the west, thunderstorms out towards Rochester. And what happened today is the front that's been driving our weather lately has now moved to the west, further west than expected. We thought this was going to be closer to Syracuse. And the bottom line is we're dry today. This is going to catch up with us as we head into tomorrow and bring us some rain. Once the front heads to the east, the weather clears out. Take a look at the weekend forecast. It is going to be very different compared to last weekend. We're going from one side to the other here. Temperature-wise, it'll be in the upper 80s, and it's looking dry and very summer-like for the first official summer weekend of the year. Mohawk 70 degrees, Paynes Hollow 70, Norway. Donna checks in with 64, Old Forge 69. Curtis Corners on the cool side. That's Dick checking in with 60 degrees. Bob and Clinton 74. West Leyden 72. Across Southern Valleys, Jim and Richfield 74 degrees. West Lawrence 69. Milford Mark with 71 degrees. Lyman and Eaton 75. Again, that front's going to move in and bring us some rain as we head into tonight. I'm tracking the rain here closer to midnight when that front moves in. And look at our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Again, looking at some showers overnight. This is a really slow mover. This is going to be around for a good portion of the day tomorrow. So expect overcast skies, on and off rain showers, at least for the first half of the day. In general, the weather will improve by later in the day, but it's still on the cool side. I think we'll be in the 60s for most of the day tomorrow. The front moves to the east tomorrow night, and finally we get a chance to dry out. Temperatures drop down into the low 60s tomorrow night, and then look at the weather for Friday. It's back to sunshine, a west wind, and temperatures climb into the low 80s in the lower elevations. And again, warmer weather to follow as we head into the weekend. Rain returns tonight. We're down to 59. Tomorrow, on and off showers throughout the day. It looks like the wettest weather will be in the morning. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Low 80s on Friday. The weekend is looking very warm and very humid. Close to 90 on Sunday. I don't think that's out of reach, but it just depends on how much sunshine we get. Rain returns Monday with a cold front. Temperatures in the 70s. Looking ahead to early next week. Coming up at 6 o'clock, we're checking out rainfall totals for tonight and tomorrow. We'll be right back.
Forecast at 6. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Turned out to be a nice day across central New York. The rain that we were expecting ended up going farther to the west. We can see that on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar with some thunderstorms out towards between Rochester and Syracuse. That will eventually catch up with us, but not until tonight. And by the time it gets here, as it moves into cooler, more stable air, it produces rain as opposed to widespread thunder and lightning. Current temperature is 71 degrees. It turned out to be a nice day. It's been a windy afternoon. That east wind at 15 miles an hour. The strongest winds today taking place in the Mohawk Valley, where the winds were funneling or being squeezed into the valley. Rain returns tonight. It's going to continue into tomorrow. It looks to be an unsettled day, but we break out of this pattern pretty quickly. We're looking at nicer weather, and it's going to warm up as we look ahead. Mostly cloudy skies this evening. And the first weekend of summer is actually going to feel a lot like it here in central New York. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Things are looking up for the Obelson Apartments in Utica.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking a return to rain as we head into tonight and tomorrow. But if you're looking to enjoy this evening, the weather is expected to stay dry. Let's take a live look outside. This is our CAV Tower Cam. Overcast skies continue. We did see some sunshine today, and that wind, which has been around throughout the day, will back off heading into tonight. The winds do become lighter, especially after sunset. It's breezy tomorrow and Friday. We're not going to be dealing with the wind that we saw today, at least not to the levels that we saw today. Anytime soon. The winds become even lighter heading into the weekend. We're tracking some rain, some thunderstorms to the west. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Our area is in the clear, and it will be for the next several hours. We can see some showers and storms developing between Rochester and Syracuse. A lot of lightning with this, but as this heads east, it's running into a lot more stable air. It's a lot warmer, a lot more humid to the west. By the time these storms head east, they weaken and produce some rain in our area overnight. Not a very outdoor-friendly day tomorrow, but the weather does improve by Friday and Saturday as temperatures climb into the 80s, and we should see a return to plenty of sunshine. Mohawk 70 degrees, Old Forge 69. Inlet, Eric checks in with 67. Across Southern Valleys, Jason in Newport 67. Hartwick 72. And Helen and Cassville checking in with 74. This has been the story of the week. This front, which is now a warm front, as it's now moving back from west to east. This will be in our area as we get into tonight as well as tomorrow. And again, it's a very slow mover. It's expected to bring some rain to the area as we head near midnight and thereafter. So widespread rain is expected overnight. Temperatures drop down into the low 60s to upper 50s. It's a wet start to the day tomorrow, and the first half of the day looks to be a washout with that front right in our area. Eventually, the front heads to the east, and we will very slowly clear out later in the day. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s. The weather will be noticeably warmer and more sunny as we head into Friday, with temperatures climbing into the low 80s. Rainfall amounts, most areas pick up about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain, but the rain is expected to fall heavier, especially east of Utica, where totals could be as high as 1 inch of rainfall. Again, this is falling tonight as well as early tomorrow. Rain returns tonight, low of 59. Tomorrow, again, a cool, unsettled day with showers, a steadier rain in the morning, a high of 67. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. A nice weekend. We turn around in a big way compared to last weekend. Temperatures in the upper 80s. Rain returns Monday with a cold front. Temperatures in the 70s Tuesday and Wednesday. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2 at 6, the latest on the first look at the forecast. Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Tracking some rain moving in to central New York this evening. We've been stuck underneath this stalled front for the past couple of days. Earlier today, that front was to the west. It's starting to drift back to the east. And so we're starting to see some rain showers out there in the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We'll see a lot more of those heading into tonight as well as tomorrow. If you're looking to tend the garden over the next couple of days, tomorrow is not a great day for that. We're looking at rain. However, the rain is beneficial. It'll help water things over the next couple of days. Friday and Saturday look to be nice days, and we'll get a chance to dry out and warm up. Our current temperature is 65 degrees. We've had an east-southeast wind today, especially in the Mohawk Valley. The winds have been strongest. The winds will be subsiding tonight. Rain returns tonight, unsettled weather tomorrow. We are tracking some warmer weather as we look ahead. Tonight, mostly cloudy with rain developing, overnight lows in the upper 50s. We're taking a look at how conditions play out at the bus stop, and that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Decision 2022.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. This is our CAV Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. We've got lighter winds in the forecast as we head into tonight. It's been a windy day today. We get some light winds tomorrow and Friday before the winds become even lighter heading into the weekend. So we are going to get away from that. What we will be getting back into, though, the rain. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing some light showers developing in our area. There's a stalled front that's been part of the picture here for the past couple of days. Earlier today, that front meandered to the west where we saw some heavier rain and some thunder and lightning out towards Rochester. Well, now that front is moving back to the east, and it will play a role in our weather as we head into tonight as well as early tomorrow. Not very outdoor friendly tomorrow. Clouds, showers around. The weather will improve as we head into the weekend. Let's take you around the clock tomorrow, starting out at 7 a.m. Temperatures in the low 60s, and that is where we stay throughout the whole day. It's going to be a cool, cloudy, unsettled day. Less wind tomorrow compared to today, but we have a breeze throughout the afternoon. And we're looking at some rain, especially in the morning, showers in the afternoon. In general, the weather will slowly improve throughout the day. Again, this front slowly working in from the west. When this finally does move through, we are going to see a big bump up in our temperature. It gets a lot warmer here towards the end of the week. Again, you can see the rain starting to develop. We'll see rain overnight. Temperatures will settle back into the upper 50s to low 60s. Rain first thing tomorrow morning. The rain is expected to move to the east as we head into the afternoon and evening, so we do get a chance to dry out, but again, a generally cloudy and cool day. Tomorrow night, the weather remains mostly cloudy, and then noticeable improvements in the weather for Friday. We're looking at a return to sunshine, and temperatures climb into the low 80s. Rainfall totals, we're thinking the heaviest rain happens south and east of Utica. We're not expecting a soaker here, but a general ½ an inch of rain is to be expected across the region. Rain returns tonight, low 59. Tomorrow, some showers around, especially in the morning. A cool, cloudy afternoon, a high of 67. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. We quickly get into a summertime pattern over the weekend with temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90, both Saturday and Sunday. Cold front arrives Sunday night into Monday, producing some rain and temperatures back into the 70s early next week. We'll be right back.
For a first look at the forecast, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Karnes.
We are tracking some rain that is developing in central New York this evening. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Rain will become more widespread tonight and will linger into tomorrow morning. As we look at the forecast, if you're going to be spending some time outdoors, maybe doing some gardening, tomorrow is not a great day for that with clouds and showers lingering around, but the weather is going to improve as we head into the weekend. It's going to warm up. We're expecting temperatures to climb back into the 80s, feeling a lot more like summer. Current temperature is 65 degrees. We've had an east-southeast wind throughout the day. The wind will be be lightening up here over the next couple of days. It remains unsettled through tomorrow, but as we look ahead, the weather does look a lot warmer heading into the weekend. As we head into tonight, we're looking at some rain developing, overnight lows in the upper 50s. We're tracking how long this rain lasts as the kids head off to school and back home. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Decision 2022.
Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Karnes.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is our CAPV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We are noticing some rain is starting to develop in our area. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is all part of a stalled front that has been driving our weather for the past couple of days. In addition to a few showers, we're also seeing some rumbles of thunder. This is on the shoreline of Lake Ontario. This is towards Watertown, but this is very slowly drifting to the east. It's possible we could see a rumble of thunder tonight, although I think that's going to be the exception rather than the rule. The wind today, it was quite a breezy afternoon across the Mohawk Valley. It'll be, we'll have breezy conditions tonight and breezy weather tomorrow and Friday. The wind will not be as strong over the next 2 days as it was this afternoon, especially in the Mohawk Valley. The winds look to be lighter as we head into the weekend. The weather looks a lot more outdoor friendly Friday and Saturday, but not so much tomorrow with clouds and showers around. Let's take you around the clock tomorrow. Temperatures start out in the low 60s, and we just don't warm up. We're going to be stuck in the 60s for the majority of the day. And we do have a wind tomorrow. We've had quite a bit of wind lately with our weather, and a lot of that has to do with the jet stream. Jet stream pattern has been favoring the wind for the past several weeks. Again, the winds will be lighter tomorrow compared to today. Weather itself, talking about some showers, especially in the morning, more of a steadier rain, and then very slow improvements as we head throughout the afternoon and evening. Again, our weather story, the weather situation is the same as it was yesterday. We have this front to our west. It brought some rain to Rochester. We thought we were going to have some showers today, but that front moved just a little bit further west. Well, now it's coming back, and that will bring us some rain heading into tonight. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. We'll look for rain to develop overnight. Temperatures drop into the upper 50s. Rain tomorrow morning, and then during the afternoon and evening, the rain does come to an end. The clouds will be hanging around, though. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s. The weather improves tomorrow night. It dries out, mostly cloudy skies overnight. And Friday is the day we will notice the big change. We'll see a return to sunshine and warmer temperatures with highs above 80 degrees. Rainfall totals tonight and tomorrow, we're thinking a general ½ an inch to as much as an inch of rain. Looks like the steadier rain, the heavier rain looks to fall south and east of Utica. Rain tonight down to 59. Rain tomorrow, especially in the morning, a high of 67. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Back to sunshine Friday and a very warm weekend ahead. We're looking at mostly sunny skies Saturday and Sunday with temperatures close to 90.